loud one.
Yeah, that was definitely loud.
They're good. Angry Bird versus Pumpkin. We gotta see how many it takes to blow it up. Yeah, it didn't do anything. Which one's that?
The milkman.
Milkman. Oh shit. Oh! Wait, why did it just do one boom? Alright, 7 grammer. We might want to run for this. Oh, heads up.
Oh shit!
Came all the way over here. Nice. 15 grammer?
Yep.
Alright, run like hell. This might come at us. Get ready.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Follow the car. There it goes. Hey. Hopefully. Yep. That went quick.
Oh shit.
Coming down. We better look for. Why did that take so long? The last one did not. Firework.
Fire hole.
Uh-oh, where's yours go?
I don't need
Yeah, those things smack.
Pretty one. Here's another loud one. Cover your ears.
What's this one? Double up.
Double up. Uh-oh. Dud. Red Devil versus a Reaper. Reaper. There's the stick. Wide box first.
I know Budget's probably louder, I know.
Still good.
I was louder than the last one.
It breaks so much lower. But that was ear piercing, bro.
So good. Crazy Brad on the grill.
Swear.
It's not. I'm telling you.
All right, the oldie. 6 shot? Yep.
6 shots.
Color tail. Dud.
Watch out. Watch out.
It landed over there. Oh, another one. Woo!
Was that a parachute?
Nah, dud.
It was a salute, but it fucked up.
That turkey was
2 of them out of 6.
out.
That ain't bad, right? Radioactive.
That's cool.
Neutrino.
Look, another UFO.
Neutrino.
It is kind of
Oh, that's cool.
That was cool. They have all the tails and shit on it. Here we go, here we go.
Twice the pleasure.
Put up.
That was a one the
Same
pleasure.
Same time.
Yeah.
At the same time.
That's a first.
I don't like it.
Budget shells. Trade values going up. Same.
I missed one.
Did it go on its own?
I think he said he missed one.
No, budget. Ball shells, the gold ones. Make this like a birthday special video. This is what we did this year. Oh yeah. Alrighty. Hit it, son.
Oh, fuck.
Look at that smoke. That was nuts. They did not all go, or they blew up each other. El Jungle fire. See if it works. Heads up on this one. Heads up. I hope it works. Fly. Kind of worked. Ball rod. Big time. Starbright Neon. Cataclysm. Lord of Guns. Cage Rage. 2 Nosgalls. Homemade Slice. 2-inch. 66 shot. Got part of a compound over there. And a bunch more. Oh. Power.
Hit.
They're a little sketch. Yeah.
Back up here. I don't
Nice.
Two glitter galore. Oh.
Just riding in the road.
Are you talking about the red one?
Them handlebars.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, that was a good one. Cage run. That's up. Oh yeah. Now she's ripping. Boom. Yeah. Big one though. Oh yeah. Nice tail. Woo, man. He's hitting it. That was freaking cool.
Y'all done blew shit up down here earlier. What the fuck?
Really loud. There she goes. Up there now. That was it. Here goes red, 1.5 inch on the candle. First one's gonna be low. Oh, not too bad. Might be a while since I see one of these again.
Is that the Chinese?
Yeah.
Is this a salute fountain?
Yeah.
Salute fountain?
Super old.
Maddie.
Should have 2 salutes at the end.
Oh, does it? Oh, yeah. So it's a fountain with salute.
Yep.
Got it.
Oh. That's cool. That was cool. I don't think one of them went.
No, I think it landed right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, baby. Rest of the compound. Yeah.
Oh my god, that was bright as fuck.
We'll see.
Cover your ear.
Oh yeah.
God damn.
I think it was louder. Oh! Wow! Holy, that was insane. You look like clay. Yeah. All right, next half. Man, that was a killer combo. All those rings. What the heck is it? Green flower crown with blue and green strobe. Huh.
I don't know.
See what it does. Nice. Oh. Double play and 2 7-inchers. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Nope. Did you get them all?
Yep. There was just 2 shells.
Got some reapers. Some neutrinos. Radioactives. Oh yeah, loading her up. Ready,
All right, y'all
set,
ready?
go. All right, ready? Set, go.
Yeah. Oh!
Ready? Oh, I missed a bunch. I think we got him. Uh-oh. We get them all? Ah, 2 left.
That was sick.
Hit. So.
Boom, boom.
That's a UFO right there.
Was that it?
Perfect views. I think they all blew up.
Listen to that echo.
They mess around. It's just a fuse.
God, that was loud. Oh my God.
Listen to the echo.
Jesus.
That shit went for miles. All right, that's it.